In this video, I will show you how to install QB² and set it up so it's ready for use. There are two ways to install QB² from the G Suite Marketplace. The first way is to go directly to the G Suite Marketplace and in the search bar, type in Question Bank. You will find QB² on the first page of the search results. Click on the QB² icon, and in the main page, hit Install. You will then be prompted to grant QB² access to your account. QB² is now installed. Another way to install QB² is to open up a blank spreadsheet in your Google Drive and go to Add-ons, Get Add-ons. And in the search bar, type in Question Bank. You will again find it on the first page of the search results. Click on QB² and click Install. It will then prompt you to grant QB² access to your account. QB² is now installed. Once it's installed, you can find QB² by going to Add-ons, and you will find it listed in the dropdown. Now you'll want to set up your spreadsheet in order to start entering your questions. You can do this by clicking on Set up QB² Spreadsheet. Now you're ready to get started.